Welcome back, everybody. It is race day today. Today we're going to find out who of you is going to win the Soundbox, the ESS Dual Plus, and the 3D printed K5 Blazer body. So I have my subscribers all here in a box, well, little cup, and it's actually not that easy finding all your subscribers on YouTube, because I found out some of them they are on privacy, so I can't even see them. Nobody else can actually see them. And I also found out people who are actually communicating with me under comments, they are not in my subscriber list. I don't know what YouTube is doing there at the moment, but I've gone into my comment list. I've printed my comment list out. I found people who are in the comments list that I didn't find in my subscriber list, but they are subscribed to the channel, but it's a whole big mess. But I've got them all in the cup here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just choose some. Just going to grab a handful. And let's see who we have here. So we have a guy. Okay. So the first guy is Clive Cesar. Then we have a Jordi Gomez, and it's ... but obviously the name is longer, but Gomez, I don't know. Anyway, I hope I'm saying it right, guys. Then I got a Point Otto, and I have a Michael Sim ... All right, so I have 4 drivers. We are going to take the body off of the TRX4 Sport, because I'm going to be driving the car. So it's one driver, one car, driving the same track, and I'm obviously going to go as fast as I can because it's a time trail, it's a time run. And this body is going to come off because I don't want to wreck it. I just spent too much time on it. So I'm going to take the mounts off, and I'm going to mount the TRX4 Sport body because it's a bit more rugged and it's also lighter, so it'll obviously be a lot better to do a crawling race with it. The only problem I have, if you can hear, it's raining. The track is completely soaked. I hope I'm actually going to get trials in, but at the moment we just have to wait for a break in the weather. But it's going to be interesting because it's going to be very slippery and very muddy out there. So it's going to make the race more interesting. And let me do the conversion quickly to this body. I'm going to balance the car out after I put the body out, so everything is 100%. So let's get cracking. I promise you, this rain, it goes on for days and days, and it just drives everyone insane. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount, because of the height of the Blazer, there was no issue putting the sound box in the back of the car, because I don't have that height in the pickup version or in the original body of the TRX4 Sport. I'm going to have to place it in the canopy section, so I'm going to mount it onto the actual battery holder, just like that. Perfect. Okay, setup of the car. Number 1, 10 weight in the shocks. Then number 2, rear shocks are mounted in a different position. Number 3, I got unsprung weight in the wheels. Number 4, I got a little bit of weight in the nose of the car to balance the body out. And number 5, I have both-sided rock sliders. So let's hit the trail. I've got tire marks all over me. Okay, speeding to the track. We're going to get our first driver. Come to the stop. Let's choose a driver here quickly. I've got my 4 drivers lined up. So we got Jordi driving. Let's wrap Jordi around the roof rack. Hope he doesn't come off. Okay, gonna position the car in the start position. Okay, the track runs down past these rocks, these obstacles. They're a little bit steep. You can land on the side. Has to pass this gate, go over to start the climb, run through this section and come to the V-notch, go over the V-notch, climb this section and then climb it out through the 2 cones at the top, and these 2 cones are the finishing line. So Jody's first up. 1, 2, 3, go! Quite a bit slippery today. Struggling to find some grip. Oop, almost fell on the side there. Let's go back. Ah, come on, go on. Let's not waste any time. Flip him back on his wheels and go again. Hang on, whoa. Just struggling myself a bit here on these slippery rocks. Okay, ooh, no. Let's see if I can bump it. Yes, got him on the rock. Swing him through. Am I going to pass that thing? No. I'm going to pass the front tire. Yes, I am. Okay, good. Keep going. Let's see if I can swing in here. Go back, go forward. I've got to line the car pretty exact. And bump it. Damn it. Almost tripped again there. Let's try that again. Slowly, and bump it. Mud is just creeping into those tires. No! Yeah, let's not waste time. Get him back on his wheels. Repo, although it doesn't count. Slowly, but surely. Get those muddy tires on that rock. Come on. There we go, made it. Perfect. Going through the section. Taking it easy because it is quite steep. Doesn't look so steep. And bam, cross the line. And Jody obviously not too happy. That was quite a long run. And coming back, and now we're gonna have a driver swap. Whoops, some of my drivers have been swept away by the wind. Let's take Jody off. Place Jody on the rock here. Who is fallen down? We got Michael. Let's put Michael on. Wrap him around the bar over here. Where's his name? So we can see him. There we go. Michael. Let's put him on the track. So we have Michael on the run. 1, 2, 3. Here comes the bell. Through the gate. Okay, hooked up a little bit there. Getting through those loose rocks. They are not the easiest. And the mud is obviously just throwing the car around from one side to another. Oop, coming back. Stuck in that. In between those 2 rocks there. Okay. Into the obstacle. Oop, overshot a bit. Not a problem. Can reverse in there a little bit better. The tire's in the wrong position. Nope, not helping. Not helping. Now you can see why I swap the bodies. Let's try a different angle. Mud is not helping today. Okay, let's try this. And that loose rock at the back there is just hooking up. Jeez. Ah! That's not good. Where are you going? Jeez. Almost saw my butt there going through the rocks myself. Whoa! And off we go. There we go. Perfect. Try that again. Okay, coming around. Ooh, losing grip on this as well. Keeping it steady. Keeping the power on ever so slightly. Coming around the turn. Do this right. No. Just a little back. Ooh, almost lost it there. Steady as she goes. And across the line. And we're getting ready for another driver swap. Whoop, almost crashed into the rock there. Take him off, put him on the rock here with the other guy. Let's take the next guy, wrap him around. Oh, whoa, hang on a seckie. Wrap him around. And, oops, sorry guys, filming there. Let's call this guy Otto. He's called Ponte Otto. Let's call him Otto. Let's place him on the track. And same position. For Otto, and off we go. That's about. Ooh, jeez. That's not the finest way to do something like this. Coming across the first gate, taking it easy. Jeez, I'm almost losing it there. Got a bit of power, a bit of wheel speed. Yes, that wasn't too bad. Oh! Almost lost it there, punching it up. Nice. Although the slippery tires are not helping a lot today. Oh, lost the name. No, that's not helping. Position the back of the car a little bit. There we go, perfect. Finding a bit of grip there. Ooh, going a bit high. And across the line. Jesus. And for the last driver, oh jeez, okay, watching the camera, not the car, sorry guys. For the last driver, let's get him on here. Wait, who have we got here? Clive Cesar. Clive Cesar, let's wrap him around the bar here. Geez, I'm filming all over, but just not what I'm doing. Okay, Clive, let's put you on the track. And this is Clive running. 1, 2, 3, go. Going through the first gate. Powering it up. Coming through here. Ooh, overshot it. Going back. Repositioning myself a little bit here. Ooh, almost didn't make that. Going straight into the obstacle. Ooh, Jesus, that was a bit hectic. Reposition the car a little bit. Oh, yes. Actually, guys, you do not understand how steep this is. This is hectically steep. Oh, man. rollover repo for Clive, and let's keep on going. Oh gosh, hang on. Keep it steady. No, oops, where am I filming? Hang on, sorry guys, I'm trying to concentrate on the race, not on the camera too much. Let's get the back over a little more to the right. Seems to be working better with these muddy wheels. Now it always seems to, the back always seems to slip over to the left. That's the way it loses all the grip. Let's try that again. No, almost rolled over again. Come on, Clive, you can do this. You got this. Maybe a bit of no, losing it again over there. Trying this again. Come on, get around. Now, here we go. Slowly, easy does it. I got hooked up on the axle there a little bit. Come on, little left turn. And go. Yes, made it. Hang on. Overshot that a bit. Coming back slowly. I haven't passed it there. Passed it. Now, keeping it steady. No. Where you going? Wait. Little left. And come on. Now we got it. Okay. And past that. And across the line. Yes. Okay, guys, let's get those times together and let's see who won. What an exciting race! Man, what an exciting race. So slippery, so muddy. I had a lot of fun with it, guys. I'm sorry, I tried to get you all in and through as fast as I could, but it's just the way it is. So I have the winners list here. Let's check it out, or the list. So number 3 is Clive at 2 minutes and 51. Number 2 is Michael or Michelle at 2 minutes 32. Then Jordy coming in at number 2 at 2 minutes 21. And number 1 is Otto coming in at 1 minute and 29 seconds, guys. So Otto, you're the winner. Ponte Otto, congratulations. Woo! Well done. So congratulations, man. I hope you have a lot of fun with the ESS Dual Plus Soundbox, giving you a great variety of different car sounds and plane sounds if you actually want to go that route. And on top of it, the 3D printed Blazer, the K5 Blazer body. So I'm going to wrap this up and send it to you, and hopefully with all our stuff that's been going on in the world right now, it will reach you in time for Christmas. By the way, did you ever wonder what the TRX4 Sport is? It's a Ford. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Click that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see what giveaways we are going to do for next month. Cheers, bye.